Most crucial decisions in creating a retirement portfolio is choosing between a Roth IRA and a 401k. Roth IRAs allow tax-free growth and withdrawals in the future, while 401ks gives immediate tax benefits. Your decision should be in line with your tax plan and long-term objectives. To ensure you don't lose out on these advantages in 2025, begin weighing your options today. Making the most of your 401k requires more than just making contributions. It also entails intelligently investing and utilizing company matches. Keep in mind that every dollar you prudently invest now adds up to a safer future. Additionally, diversifying with gold and silver can provide. The golden rule of investment, particularly in 2025, is diversification. Real estate, stocks, and bonds are all fantastic, but don't undervalue physical assets like gold and silver. Adding gold and silver to your portfolio has never been simpler thanks to Augusta Precious Metals' affordable prices. Their services guarantee that you're ready for changes in the market and in the economy. A straightforward yet effective strategy for retirement savings is the 15% rule. You are laying the groundwork for financial freedom by putting aside a minimum of 15% of your salary. You'll have a strong retirement plan if you follow this rule and make diversified investments. Although it may seem paradoxical, paying off debt before investing is an essential first step. Any investment benefits can be undermined by high-interest loans. Prioritizing debt repayment lays the groundwork for long-term financial success. You may concentrate on accumulating wealth through wise investments like gold and silver after you are debt-free. Investing in 2025 will require careful planning and flexibility. These tactics, which range from diversifying with Augusta Precious Metals to optimizing your 401k, can help safeguard your financial future. Don't hesitate. Begin preparing now to have the best year yet in 2025. To find out more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they may help secure and diversify your portfolio, click the link below. Watch our most recent video, which reveals Robert Kiyosaki's 2025 Hidden Economic Crisis. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for more professional investing advice. Keep yourself updated and take control of your financial future right now.